In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off call bearing on any Android phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S3 before they watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. The first off, you need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. Now, guys, we need to tap at the search icon and then just start typing bearing. BARR, just like that. That's how we can easily find this option. Now we just need to wait until this page is loaded. Here we need to tap at call to bearing. Get into that settings. And once the page is loaded, we can activate call bearing for all outgoing calls. For international calls except home, and also for incoming calls. For all incoming calls, and for all incoming calls when roaming. We can easily activate these options by turning on trouble buttons next to it. If this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.